When we want to divide a decimal number by a whole number, we can use long division. So let's try that with example A. We set it up as we usually do with a division sum. But as there is a decimal in the dividend, we have to place a decimal in exactly the same place directly above to account for there being a decimal in the answer that we obtain. Now from here we carry out standard long division. So ignoring any remainders, 5 divided by 8 gives us 0. So the second step, 8 multiplied by the result of this division, gives us 0, which we take away from 5 to leave 5. At this point we bring the next digit in the dividend down, and this will be divided by 8. And ignoring remainders, the result is 6, which gets placed above in the answer. Next, we do 8 multiplied by 6, which gives 48, and we subtract that from the 51 below, which gives us 3. And like before, we bring the next digit in the dividend down alongside the 3 to give us 32. So now we have 32 divided by 8. The result of that is 4 exactly, which goes in the answer. Then 8 times 4, which we know is exactly 32, is subtracted below to leave 0. And now we know we've completed the sum, and the answer is 0.64 to the original division sum, where we divided a decimal number by a whole number. Another case of when we want to divide a decimal number by a whole number, where we don't actually need long division, is where we divide by a power of 10. When this is the case, what happens is the decimal point in the number being divided moves the number of places left, as there are zeros in the power of 10, which is effectively the same as moving the digits in the number rather to the right. So here we know there will be a decimal number in the answer, and the 2 and the 9 simply move one place to the right, like so, which leaves us with just 0 to the left of the decimal point, and that is the answer. It's exactly the same approach with example C. You can write the decimal point first, and this time the 4 and the 6 are moving 2 places to the right. Which again just leaves 1 0 to the left of the decimal point, and that is the answer to 4.6 divided by 100, and we can use this approach anytime we want to divide by a power of 10.